Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper vs bronze vs brass, which is better. Follow along as I break down composition, strength, conductivity, corrosion resistance, cost, and typical uses so you can pick the right metal for your project. I'll use clear comparisons, practical examples, and simple pros and cons to make this decision straightforward and useful for hobbyists, makers, and homeowners. Stay tuned for a quick buying tip. Let's compare how these metals perform in real-world tasks, focusing on conductivity, corrosion, strength, and cost. I'll explain why copper dominates electrical work, why bronze often wins in marine or bearing roles, and when brass offers the best balance of form and function for decorative, plumbing, or hardware needs. By the end, you'll know which metal suits soldering, load-bearing, or aesthetic projects without guessing. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support more practical metal guides. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your workshop commute pleasant and distraction-free. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one quickly. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Here are typical applications to help you decide quickly. Copper is ideal for electrical and thermal tasks. Bronze excels in wear or marine settings like bearings and sculptures, and brass fits plumbing, decorative fixtures, and instruments where appearance and machinability matter. I'll point out trade-offs like cost and repairability so you can match metal to function. These examples help translate properties into the right purchase choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.